And we know that in all things work for the good of those who love God, to them who are called according to his purpose. Romans 8 and verse 28. Royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing and reviewing this gorgeous unit that was sent to me from Julia Hair Company. So the wig came in this box right here. This is their 24-inch Jerry Curly 13x4 lace frontal unit. So this wig is definitely gorgeous. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and finessed this gorgeous unit, and also how I did my baby hairs. So this color is definitely trendy right now, and it's definitely giving. The length on this unit is everything as well, you guys. I'm definitely feeling this ginger unit. It's a nice color, especially on melanin skin tone. The color turned out really cute. So if you are interested to see how I install this unit, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into this installation process. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Julia Hair Company. They were kind enough to send me over their 24-inch ginger Jerry Curly transparent lace unit in the density of 150%. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies as well. I received this headscarf, a pair of eyelashes, some hair clips, and a pair of stocking caps. So a bit about the cap construction on this unit. This is a 13x4 transparent lace frontal unit, and the hair did come pre-plucked, but I did went ahead to pluck the lace a little bit more. So a bit about the cap construction on the inside of the wig. It has two combs on each side of the unit. It has a comb to the back as well, and adjustable straps, so you can adjust your wig to your particular liking. So I did went ahead to bleach the knots on this ginger unit. So let's jump right into the installation process of this Jerry Curly ginger unit from Julia Hair Company. So the wig that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Julia Hair. They sent me over their number 30 ginger unit. So this is the wig right here, and it's in 24 inches, and it's a 13x4 parting space unit. So before I begin the install, I'm just going to be taking my Black Radiance True Contour Concealer palette just to put that into the knot. So after I finish tinting the lace, I go in with my Murray's Australian Beeswax just to sleek the hair. And I put it to sleek the hair back. So once I have the wig lined up how I'm going to lay it, I'm going to cut off the extra lace around the ear tabs area. This wig fit perfectly on my head because it had this stretch to it, because it is transparent lace, which I love. So I didn't really have to cut off much lace around the ear tabs area. And then I'm just going to cut off the extra lace to the front before I begin the installation process. I'm going in with my Garden Grip Primer. And the glue that I'm going to be using today is my Kiss Almighty glue. So I did went ahead to do about 3 layers of this glue. So I'm just going to be blow drying the last layer, and I'm just going to pull the lace onto the glue. And I'm using my fingers just to press the lace into the glue a bit. And then I go over that with my Got To Be Blast Freeze Spray just to set everything, and back over with my blow dryer. Firstly, I like to comb out the hair so it wouldn't be too cruffy. And once that is done, I'm going in with my elastic band just to melt the lace a little bit more. I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for a while. So I'm just going ahead to cut off the extra lace to the front. So to cut off the lace to the front portion, I'm going to be back and forth with my razor comb and my shears, and I'm just cutting the lace off in a jagged motion. So once I have the wig on, I'm just gonna melt. So the lace has already been melted. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to start to work on my baby hair. So once I have the section of hair out that I'm going to be using to create my baby hairs, I'm just gonna pin back the extra hair so that it wouldn't be in the way when I'm ready to start to work on my baby hairs. So I'm going in with my razor comb just to cut down the hair to the front a bit, and over that with my shears. So today, to lay my baby hairs, I'm going to be using my Gorilla Snot gel. This is the holy grail when it comes to laying my edges. So I'm just using my edge brush to swoop my baby hairs in the direction I want them to go, and I will be back and forth with my shears as well, because I don't cut my baby hairs too short. I make sure I swoop them in the direction I want it to go first, and then after I clean up any sort of extra hair with my scissors. So I'm just taking my edge brush just to swoop the hair in the direction I want it to go. So I'm just gonna continue to work on that until I'm satisfied with how my baby hairs are laid. Once I'm done finessing my edges, I go over that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray just to set the edges in place. So once I'm done doing that, I go over that with my blow dryer, and then I go in with my elastic band just to melt it a little bit more. So I'm going in with my Gnocchi Nickel K Concealer. So I'm just going in with my Nickel K Concealer in the shade Lion just to define the parting space on this ginger jerry curly unit a bit more. So once I'm done defining the parting space, I'm just going ahead to melt the lace a little bit more with my melt band before I begin to define the curls on this unit. So I'm going in with my VO5 conditioner, and what I normally do, I mix it with some water, and that's all I basically use. So you guys, when I have curly hair in, I like to use my VO5 conditioner because I do want it poofy. And mainly when I have my curly wigs, this is all I normally use for so once the lace has been melted and my edges are laid, I go over that with my thermal hot comb in the parting space to make sure everything is on flat. I do want it to be sleek in the front, so I'm going back in with my Murray's beeswax. So all I used today to lay the top portion of this wig was my Murray's Australian beeswax in the yellow bottle, and once that is laid, I go in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray and over that with my Isoplus hair sheen to add a bit of luster to this wig. And then I'm just gonna be taking my DeVille diffuser just to define the jerry curly texture on this wig a little bit more. So after I'm done diffusing the wig, I go back in with my Isoplus just to add a bit of shine to the top portion, and that completes the installation process of this jerry curly ginger unit from Julia Hair, you guys. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next one. So you guys, this is the end result of my 24-inch jerry curly unit from Julia Hair, and the wig is definitely gorgeous, definitely a 10 out of 10. The volume on this unit is everything, you guys. So a bit about this wig. This is their Julia number 30 ginger color wig, jerry curly 13 by 4 transparent lace frontal human hair wig. So this wig is a ginger slash number 30. So it's not really, you know, that orange, it's more on the brown side, and it's transparent lace, and the density on this wig is 150. This wig retails for $265.68 on their hair size. They have length from 14 inches up to 26 inches, and I got this wig in 24 inches. And they also have T-part wigs, so if you're not interested in purchasing a lace frontal, you can go ahead to purchase the T-part. But this color is super trendy, you guys. It's really gorgeous. Like, I did diffuse the curls on this wig a bit, you guys. The color on this unit is everything. The lace melted perfectly. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. The lace, the layage, the color, it's everything, you guys. I'll leave all the information for this wig in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing this Jerry Curly unit from Julia Hair. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. So until next time, see you in my next video, and until then, always remember to put God first in everything that you do.